Bye, Wilkinson.
Bye. Bye.
He stopped by before going to work. Um, Mommy Gedda was here with me last night. My mother-in-law. Another sleepless night. I coughed all night. Dry cough. Um, I got tested to make sure it was nothing viral. Thank God. I'm not with a cold or a flu. It's all relative. My pressures are high. I have fluid backup. Um, Sometimes my heartbeat goes to like in the 140s, and then it does get down. I think going on week number ending no, going on week number 3. No, actually it's my 4th Monday here. Yeah, starting week number 4. Hmm. I'm trying to be patient. The doctor came in this morning. Everything is relative, so it's part of the process. Hopefully, I won't have to be here too long. So, in all God's timing. Thanks, guys. I know everyone is praying for me and wishing I get better soon. My eyes look sunken and dark. That's because I haven't been sleeping, but I'm resting as much as I can. All right. Mm. I'll update later. I'm all right. I'm all right.